Welcome to Vex Foundations I. This course is perfect for anyone that's new to learning Vex. The lessons are divided up into 3 sections that explore theory, application, and practice. During the theory chapter, you'll get a big picture understanding of Vex and how it relates to what we do in Houdini. The application chapter is all about demonstrating how these concepts are used during a production scenario. We'll create this particle explosion from scratch, and along the way, learn about strategies for troubleshooting and how to problem solve things when you don't really know exactly what to do. Finally, the last section is all about practice. You'll never get great at coding with Vex until you're the one doing it. So I've prepared a variety of exercises that gradually increase in complexity. This gives you the perfect opportunity to solidify your skills by helping you think and code things on your own. Thanks for watching, and let's get started.